Is it time to buy or sell the trade desk stock? In this video, we will explore the trade desk in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of July, 2025, our system has ranked the trade desk as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 20.19% since we initially designated the trade desk as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.75% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper range of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically offers a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line at $90.43 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of up to 18% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 1.52% to an increase of 20.82%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of 38.8%. Based on these calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 82.46% to a decline of 30.75% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $15.50 and $61.17. Our latest daily update for the trade desk features the headline, Red Day on Thursday for the trade desk. The trade desk stock price decreased by 1.4% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, dropping from $89.58 to $88.33. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.59%, with a low of $87.44 and a high of $91.45. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.92% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, despite the declining prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 15 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $141.53, while the lowest was $42.96. Currently, the price is 37.59%, or $53.20, below the 52-week high of $141.53, which is also the all-time high for the stock. The trade desk reported its second quarter earnings today, posting a profit of 41 cents per share, narrowly missing the Zacks consensus estimate of 42 cents. This marks a slight increase from 39 cents per share a year ago. While the results surpassed some expectations, the company's forward outlook and the announcement of a change in chief financial officer led to a significant drop in its stock price. In the short term, this earnings miss and the resulting stock decline could dampen investor confidence, especially if concerns around management changes and future guidance persist. Additionally, lingering issues such as ad fatigue, particularly in Southeast Asia, highlight challenges in growth strategies that could affect revenue prospects. On a more positive note, the trade desk had previously crossed above its 200-day moving average, signaling a possible long-term bullish trend. The company remains well-positioned to leverage strong demand for connected TV, which may support future growth. Overall, while short-term volatility is likely, the longer-term outlook hinges on the company's ability to navigate these challenges and capitalize on its growth potential in the ad tech space. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TTD a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS also assigned TTD a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave TTD a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Needham provided TTD with a buy rating and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned TTD a buy rating along with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned the trade desk stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for the trade desk. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, and so far it has fallen 1.59%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. The trade desk stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During corrections downward, there will be some support from the lines at $87.83 and $78.78. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger reveals a buy signal from 17 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 43 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for the trade desk. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $81.44 and $80.40. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, the trade desk has support just below today's level at $81.44. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $80.40 and $71.04. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and given the trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.01 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.59%. For the past week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 4.06%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for the trade desk, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 7th of August 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 42 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the trade desk. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the trade desk is at $88.46. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, the trade desk encounters its first support level at $81.44. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for the trade desk from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 27th of May, 2025, Rajaram Gokul executed an insider purchase of 4,901 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, buyer Lise J. also made an insider purchase of 4,901 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 27th of May, 2025, KL Alex conducted an insider purchase of 4,684 shares of stock option right to buy. On the same day, KL Alex further acquired 420 shares of Class A common stock. KL Alex also purchased 2,450 shares of Class A common stock on that day. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 49.4. In total, insiders acquired 1,769,709 shares, while selling 554,082 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $85.48, representing a decline of 3.22%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is the trade desk stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the trade desk stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, August 8th, we expect the trade desk to open higher by approximately 74 cents, starting at $89.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.